Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick thread comparison review between these two email management tools, which is Sanebox and Fyxer. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Sanebox and Fyxer, they both aim to cut down email overload, but they take very different approach. Sanebox is a lightweight, reliable tool that automatically sorts incoming emails, snooze, distraction, and help you unsubscribe with ease. It's privacy friendly, works with nearly any email provider, and also has been refined for years now, making it a great set and a forget solution for keeping your email clean or inbox clean. Fyxer, on the other hand, goes further by drafting replies, capturing meeting notes, suggesting follow-ups, and even helping with a scheduling. It's more of a full AI assistant than just an email filter. The trade-off is that Fyxer requires deeper access to your inbox and can be buggy since it's newer and costs more. So if you want a simple inbox control, Sanebox wins in the aspect, but if you are after automation that saves times beyond email organization, Fyxer is the more powerful option. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.